Assalamu alaikum viewers, how are you all and welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you all must be fine, you all are doing well today. So today I am here to present to you a video on an important topic like the business analyst in the loop. So in this video we shall know about the business analysts that are working in the loop. So let's proceed our video. Before proceeding our video, I request you to like and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that you can have access to my next future upcoming videos. So let's proceed our video. Tags, annotations, features and context. These can be measured by observation or inferred through machine learning or analysts provided by human analysts. So are all three of these processes simultaneously. The resulting synergy yields improved training sets, more accurate predictive models, fewer false positive or negatives, and active learning, efficient human interventions, combining machine learning on big data with the power of human cognition of discovery. For example, using data visualization. So basically through data visualization we can help business analysts in the loop and then view analytics and immersive data environments or crowdsourcing. So these are the examples through which analysts in the loop can improve our business and therefore augment us and accelerates discovery, insights and D2D. So I hope you have understand this video about the business analyst in the loop. That's all for today. Thank you so much. Keep watching. Allah Hafiz.